Hi guys, I'm Vince Masurela and welcome to Inupakan.
Did you know? The word Inupakan is born from the hero name Inong Pakan. Inupakan is a place where you can relax and enjoy with the hospitable people, the nature, and the relaxing environment. For a place to stay, we have here a small traveler boutique hotel here in Inupakan, named Casa Khadija. They have room for families, friends, and barkadas. And it is located in Inupakan proper. And for food, we have a three special restaurant named Lil Italy, Can-Anan, and Boardwalk. Lil Italy specializes Asian cuisine. Can-Anan specialized Filipino cuisine. And Boardwalk specialized seafoods. If you want to relax with the ocean view and a cool air, Baywalk is the best spot. Baywalk is the best place spending time with friends, families, and barkadas. And if you want a nature adventure, we have our very own Cuatro Islas. Cuatro Islas is a group of 4 islands off the coast of municipalities of Inupakan and Hindang in southwest part of Leyte. Cuatro Islas represent nature's quadruplets lying gloriously over the pristine blue water of Camote Sea. The amazing foursome offers a breathtaking panorama amidst abundant white sand and pristine clear waters. A heaven for nature lovers, it's a great escape from boredom of life every day. A place beyond compare, it is the Cuatro Islas.